Morning everyone from the sunny south end. This is the day I got my first package from the Asian home, and I would like to show you and share with you what is inside. This box is quite heavy but well packed, as you can see. Then let's take a look inside. Wow, now I know why this box is very heavy. Spicy hot chicken flavor. I ate the noodle versions, but this is gonna be interesting to try. Jackfruit crisps. I love jackfruits. Never tried the chips one. Crisps, not chips, okay? A Singapore mixed cocktail. I ate Bombay cocktails before. From the picture, it looks nice. Here we go. What's this? Super crisps. Yeah, this is the right one. Crisps, not chips. Another spicy thing. I love spicy and I like seaweed, so yay! This one comes from my country, Indomie Citato. Mee goreng, fried noodle flavor. Never failed. Love this. Thai crispy roll. Durian flavor. I love durian. Some people say durian smelly. It's a very good smell and tastes so good. This is what I wanted. Matcha mochi. Love it. It's gonna be heaven. Oh, bubble milk tea mochi. Who doesn't like bubble tea? And who doesn't like chewy things? This is a perfect combination. What rabbit? Oh, this is remind me of a childhood. My dad used to give me this sweet. Matcha green latte. Yeah, everyone loves green latte. I love it too. And the ABC sauce. This is my favorite sauce. It's like you guys have a brown sauce, SB sauce in England. You put in every meal to add a little bit flavor. This is what I'm doing as well in Indonesia. I put ABC in every food I eat. Well, not every food, but most of it, because it's give a kick and it give more flavor. So here we got the insulation bag. Let's see what is inside. Oh, we got tofu. Got bean sprout. You got lime. And it's come with the cooling bag inside, so you keep things inside is fresh. Singaporean laksa paste, coconut milk, which is the fresh ingredient before, is adding up for this one. I will show you how to make it.